In this video, I'm going to walk you through how we were able to book more jobs and fill the schedule for J Pro carpet cleaning, leveraging voice AI. In previous videos, I've talked about how we were able to leverage an AI chatbot connected to ads, chatting to the customers over Messenger, over SMS, answering questions, booking jobs. In this video, I'm going to show you something absolutely incredible, how voice AI is actually able to answer the phone and actually take phone calls like a real human being and actually book jobs. So let's dive right in. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams. I run a company called Carpet Boost AI. We've worked with hundreds of carpet cleaners across the USA, across the world, helping them get booked out with jobs on autopilot, leveraging digital marketing and cutting edge AI technology. Let's have a little look here at J Pro. So here's an example of a phone call that came in for J Pro. The caller rang in and requested carpet cleaning. They provided a name, address, phone, email to get a quote for 4 rooms plus a hallway. They were quoted a price, $180 with 3 deodorizer. And then they selected Thursday at 4 p.m. Central to book the job. So, it's one thing. You've got leads coming in from Messenger, from your ads. You've got people communicating with you over SMS and all that. But what about when the phone's ringing? What about when people are calling you and you can't pick up that phone because you're in the middle of a job or you're in the movies or whatever it is, you're tied up and you can't answer the phone, right? Like, what if you are running Google ads to your website and people are calling you rather than messaging you? Again, with the latest technology, with voice AI, this is now a possibility. So yeah, let's give it a go. How long does it take for the carpets to dry usually?
Typically, carpets take about 6 to 12 hours to dry completely, depending on factors like room ventilation, humidity, and carpet type. If there's anything else you'd like to know, or if you'd like to book, let me know.
Sure. Have you got any availability next Tuesday?
All right, let me check the available slots for Tuesday, April 21st, 2026. One moment. Here are the available slots for Tuesday, April 21st, 2026, 12 p.m., 2 p.m.
So you get the idea, right? Like I'm sure you got a feel for it there. I mean, this thing doesn't sound like a robot at all. It sounds absolutely amazing. It's able to answer any of my questions. It's able to check the schedule. It's able to take phone calls. And then what happens is how this all kind of works. If we go to the dashboard and the logs here, this is all registered. You get an entire phone summary about how the call went. You get the full transcript in here. And then what we do is we fire that transcript, we fire that information over to the carpet cleaner so that he knows what the conversation was that was handled by the voice AI. So if he needs to do any follow-up actions or reach back out to the customer or whatever it is, he's got all the tools in his toolbox to do that. So once again, the conversational AI chatbot over Messenger, over SMS is absolutely huge. But to take it to that next level, to actually have it answering the phone for you as well, now you're not missing a single lead, whether it's phone calls, messages. This system is literally making sure that every opportunity is maximized, that no lead is ever missed, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. And this is what's really changing the game right now in the carpet cleaning industry. If you're one of our clients, then you've got all of these services. If you're not, then the likelihood is if you're working with maybe another marketing agency or if you're doing this yourself, you might not have access to this. This is the kind of thing that's going to give your business the advantage over your competitors. This is the kind of thing your customers love because nobody wants to play text message tennis with you just to find out how much a 3-seater couch is going to be to get cleaned. People just want answers quickly. They want to be able to pick up the phone and somebody answers. They don't want to go on hold. They don't want to wait 3 hours. They don't want to leave a voicemail and wait for you to call them back. They just want answers quickly, simply, and just get booked in. And so by having this technology, you're providing that convenience to your customers. They're going to love it. You're going to book jobs and you're going to make loads more money. And once again, if this is something that you'd like us to do for your carpet cleaning business, in the description, there is a link to book a call with us. book a call with us. We'll go over this on Zoom with you. We can walk you through what that looks like and how much this would cost to implement into your business. And by the way, it's very, very affordable. So that's it from me in this video. That's a little demo of the voice AI. I hope you enjoyed it. Do hit the like and the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.